Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix a slow and lagging laptop in your Windows 11, even Windows 10. Now what you want to do is to right click on your start icon and click on Task Manager. I'll show you two ways. One is with the Task Manager where we close the apps that are not necessary. So as you can see, this is consuming memory. Now, I'm not really using Discord, okay? So I can come here and click on this and then end task. I repeat the same process for other, apps that you're not using. Now, if I come here, click on performance, let me show you something, okay? Click on memory. I have a 16 GB RAM PC, but as you can see, I've committed 24 GB. 8 gigabytes of that is virtual RAM. I'll show you how to increase your virtual RAM so you can increase, your speed for your laptop because you're allocating more RAM. So all you do is come here to your search bar, type in run, okay? Type in run on your search bar, and I want you to go ahead and open this up. Click here on open. And what we're going to do here is type in this, okay? You can remove this. And I want you to go ahead and type in this sysdm.cpl. Click here on OK. And once this opens up, I want you to come here and click on advanced, okay? Now under performance, click on settings, click here on advanced again, you'll see virtual memory. As you can see, I have about 8 gigabytes allocated, so that's why the extra is coming out. So click here on change and allocate a custom size for you. The more RAM you have, the more resources your PC has to run these apps. So I would suggest putting your initial size to at least 1.5 times of your RAM and maximum at least 3 times, okay? And then click here on set and click on OK. Okay, really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.